Hello friends, today we are going to see about the buttons in a mobile phone. Buttons usually has many variables like volume up and volume down button, power button and so on. If Samsung tabs and buttons won't have strips, it has individual buttons as shown here. This is a Samsung mobile phone and the power on button will be individual. We are going to see how to replace if this type of a button have become fault. It is a small size button of a phone. If it is a tab, it will have a big button. Let me show you in a tab also. This is the tab. It will be like this and will have a big button here. We'll see how to replace this also. I'm going to apply this soldering paste in it. I have applied the soldering paste in it. You can remove this button by two types. If button is going to replace in another mode, you can use SMD rework station by heating it from down. It will be easy and would melt also. And the other one is if this button is available in the market, I can replace with a new one. So let's see how to heat and remove. I am heating the button. Shake it well, and when the corner started to melt, you can remove it. Don't heat much. Then the whole button will melt. Yes, now I have removed. After some time we can apply this IPI. This is the button which I have removed now, and this is the board. These two are the legs of the power button, and this is the positive and the negative of the power button. And in the power button at the back there are two positive and negative buttons which we are able to see. These 2 points are known as the positive and negative points. When this positive and negative touches the board only, the power button will work and we could power on the mobile. We should clean the board and should fix it correctly. If not, the button will get damaged. So now I will clean it. And yes, I have cleaned the board. And now I am going to apply the lid. That is the new lid. Don't apply much. I have applied it correctly and going to replace the button. See, only this much we should apply the new lid. And now let's see how to replace the power button button. I have applied. I took it without melting and now I am heating it and going to fix it. Yes, I have fixed the button. This method can be used to replace the buttons in your mobile phone. If you want, you can do it. By using the SMD rework station, you can fix it correctly. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.